Big drip on the feet, better watch my sneaks. 50 gon' clutch and shoot to the beach. And then outclass, wasn't taking no seat. Give me my work, went straight to the street. YouTube, what's going on? 973 Nate here. Finally coming with some bangers to this channel, man. As you can see in the title of this video, I got the X15 pocket bike, man. I'm bringing it outside today, so y'all be sure to stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram at mybrandworldwide. I do custom merch, so if you interested in purchasing that, check out some of my pictures, look at it, see what you like. DM me, let me know if you want to purchase something. I ship worldwide. I'm doing $40 for a custom shirt, $50 for a custom hoodie. So if you're interested, be sure to check me out on Instagram. This is my machine right here, the embroidery machine, some of my merch, and some of my other clothing, but that's not what this video about, man. Let's get into it. All right, YouTube, I'm outside now on the X15. It's crazy because I tried to put the battery in for the electric start, right? And now I'm having a problem with it. It won't like idle, basically. It would just drop down from H to L, which is like high battery to low battery. At first I had the terminal switch. I had negative on positive, positive on negative. So I know that's the cause of the problem because it wasn't doing this before. But now it keeps dropping from high to low. I disconnected the battery because the bike can't run without the battery, but it's still doing the same thing. So I'm gonna have to take it back to my mechanic and get some work done to it. But it's still drivable, so I'm about to ride out, man, bring some content for y'all on this. I already got some content coming on my 125cc, so y'all be sure to stay tuned for that, man. First, I'm gonna head to the gas station. Then I'm gonna go to AutoZone and do an oil change real quick on this, let y'all see that. I might go to Snipes to the sneaker store to see if I could grab these kicks if I make it in time, but just stay tuned, man. We about to ride out. It just ran out of gas, YouTube. I was trying to go to one down there, but guess I gotta go here now. Alright, YouTube, I just gassed up. Wipe my shades off. My wind protectors. Let's get back to it. What's going on, boss?
What year is that, man?
This 2007.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I came out there because you throw me, man. I'm about to have a mini bike.
Yeah, facts. I got a couple bikes. I might just change the oil on this.
Bike, man. Listen, when you want to change the oil, let me know.
Huh?
I got you. I'll change the oil to get the filter too.
Now I'm about to do it right now.
Yeah, on that one.
Yeah.
Get the shit, see if they got it. I'll show you how to put it.
Hold up 1 second. All right, YouTube, I just got the oil outside of AutoZone. I don't know if I'm supposed to get full synthetic or not, but it's 10W40, so you're gonna rock with it. Let me see how fast I could do this.
That's good, 10W40 is good. At the same time.
Yeah. You could YouTube.
Yeah, I'll put it on for you. Just get them on there. I'll put it on. I'll put it on for you, baby. Just get them on there and pull it to you.
Yeah, if you could YouTube, instead of pushing on the bolt, try to pull it to break it.
Yeah, that's it. You on good. Pull it. I'll hold it back. Pull it. Pull it tight as hell. Yeah, baby, you got it. You got it. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. That's it. You got his ass. Keep whipping. Keep whipping. You got it. That's it. Keep whipping. Keep whipping. You got it. He gonna get loose. Yep, he get loose. Keep whipping. Yep, I got it. Now just pull that pan back to me as I come out. Okay, I'm ready to come out now. Just pull the pan up under there.
1 second. Alright, come out.
Alright, you got it. Let you go, let it go, I got it. Let it go, I got it. You put it up, man, you got something bigger?
Something bigger?
We finna have a problem.
Yeah.
Hold on, she's stopping. Damn, I got a whole store gonna come out. Yeah, it's putting up. It's putting up,
Something bigger?
Yep. Need something big. Oh, man. Yep, that's it. Just put that up under the side on it. Slide on it. We good. Yeah, you got it. You just gotta get your leg to wipe it down. That's all.
Yeah, we gotta spill some oil. Let me go get a rag.
Yeah, man, a lot gonna go in here. It might take this whole quart.
Yeah, it might.
It's gonna take it. It's going already.
It might need more?
Yeah, it's gone. You gonna have to get another one too. Yeah, hell yeah. Oh shit, man, damn. Lean it down, I got that. Lean it down and go get another quart. Lean it all the way down. That's the kickstand, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, lean it. That's right. You gotta lean it down like that. All right. Go get some more. I got this.
Right.
Hey, what about those dudes? When I get them, they ain't gonna be here no more. If I catch them, they ain't gonna be here no more. Give me that oil. Leave the bike just like that right quick. Oh, what's wrong with that paper?
Got it.
Okay, lean it to me now. Slowly. I don't want to pour out. Lean it to me slowly. Okay, hold right there. Hold.
You checked it?
Hold, man. Just just listen to me. Don't be checking it. I want to be, when it come out that stick, then we'll be good.
Nah, it ain't supposed to be filled up.
I know what it ain't supposed to be filled up. Just lean the bike to me. I know what's supposed to be in there. Come on. I got you. They take a quart and a half. That's what they take.
Quart and a half?
Yep.
Nah, it say less than a quart. Let me check it.
Less than a quart and a half. Listen, I already know now. Go ahead and check it out. Just stick it in there and keep the bike straight.
So you got a quart and a half in there?
Let me see it. I got it.
Just hold his bike straight for me. That's good. That's good. It's about right here. You hear me?
It's all the way up here. Look.
No, you about good though. It's supposed to be here. Listen, put it right here because it's gonna beat the oil out anyway. All right? It's gonna put it out. Okay.
Boss, I followed
Well,
that.
listen. Okay, listen. Lean it to me then. Pour some of it out. Go ahead. Lean it. Lean it. Lean it and hold the brake. I got the brake. Lean it to me. Okay, okay, let it go more, let it go more. Okay, okay, back it up. Back it up. Let me catch this. Let me catch this. That should be enough too, bro. You ain't gotta put no more of this in there. Alright, leave it like that now. I'm telling you, I'll use a ride bike. That's good. That's good offer. When you turn either side, it'll be good.
I got you, dog. I race bikes now. I only ride wheelie bar bikes.
They got to have the wheelie bars on there for me to ride. I ain't lying. I ain't street bikes no more. No. No bikes is history. My white bar. Get all this out of the way so you don't slip off the pedal, okay? All right. Nothing that gonna come on you. Yeah, all right, baby, all right?
Yeah, now let me check the level.
Okay. You okay, baby? Don't keep taking the top off because you're going to leak the oil if the top ain't on tight now. You good, man. You good. God, I used to ride bikes. You good, man.
Yeah, I'm just trying to make sure ain't too much in it, bro.
No, it ain't going to be too much. You're going to throw that out anyway. Whatever's in there heavy is going to pour it out. It's a little stem that gets it out, bro, all right? Don't mess your bike up. Leave that oil like that, let it. I started building mini bikes and go-karts, but I had the fastest ones in Newark, North Newark. From 7th Avenue Project to Grafton Avenue Project. We was in the middle, North Newark.